everyone, welcome back to another student success story interview. Today we have Indhumathi from batch 67 to share with us her incredible journey, the lessons that she has learned along the way, and the challenges she has overcome, and how Digital Scholar has helped her grow in her journey. So let's get started. Indhumathi, let's begin from where did you start your journey as agency owner, and what inspired you to join Digital Scholar when there are so many marketing courses out there?
So I came to Chennai as an engineer and I attended a social media roadshow by Saurav. Like it used to back then, it used to happen in Eco VMU office. We didn't have Digital Scholar. It was around 2018-19. That was my introduction to the world of digital marketing. And I decided to completely shift my career into digital marketing because I felt more at home here. I freelanced for 7-8 years. Over a period of time, I attended several workshops, constantly upskill myself. Then suddenly AI happened and I also became a mother. I didn't have the time to equip myself with this knowledge and skill set to stay on top of the game. So that's when it made sense. I actually dropped a text to sort of like on Instagram 2 years back saying, when the time is right, I'll come for Digital Scholar and I'm here today. And it still feels surreal.
That's so great to hear, like your career shift from an engineer
Yes.
to into a marketing field. That's really appreciable. So, Indumati, today you've started your own agency. What gave you that confidence to start your own agency, and how has Digital Scholar helped you?
So, see, getting a client is always a challenge, but an even greater challenge is getting that first client. Earning the trust of that client is a challenge, but an even greater challenge is trusting yourself to deliver value to that client. And that's where Digital Scholar comes in. Because here they were not teaching us just how to set up a meta ads campaign, they were teaching us how to come up with a strategy behind it, how to deal with a reluctant client. All the trainers, they had years of practical experiences which got translated into the course in a very natural way, which is why this agency styled course was the right fit for me, since I was entering this new phase of becoming an agency owner and I saw value there. So that's how it was the right time, right place for me being here.
So, from Claude AI sessions to Meta ads, Google ads, and SEO, what were the major breakthroughs you've seen, and how it has helped your agency today?
So most marketers now are afraid of AI, but actually when you befriend it, it can be a very good business partner. Before I joined Digital Scholar, I used to tell clients, trust me, I can run meta ads. Now it has come to a place where I tell them, if a marketer is promising you 100 leads on a new account on the very next day, they don't know anything about meta ads because it takes time. I first listen to you, I come up with a strategy, I test dynamic creatives, I do pilot campaigns. Then with that data, I go in for the campaign that's going to actually give you ROI. When I say this process to the clients, they trust me even without me having to ask for their trust. So I think that is something that happened because Digital Scholar equipped me with the skills to be that confident when talking to a client.
Okay, that's really great to hear. So, how has Meta ads majorly played a role in this? As you see, AI is blooming, right? So, how do you use AI in your business currently? Like, do you use it for content, for creatives, or for campaign planning? And how it has helped your productivity?
So I start making use of AI from the moment a lead comes to me. So when I have the proposal, the idea for strategy ready, I've integrated Claude with Canva. So Claude designs a proposal in the client's brand aesthetic for me in a matter of an hour. Then I use it for competitor research, and I have custom projects for different clients. So with their own voice and their own content DNA added, which makes writing real scripts with hooks, everything a lot more quicker. So business wise, yes, it makes things easier, but from a personal perspective, it gave me my time back, time I could spend with my 2-year-old, and it also gave me the confidence to add more projects because it has freed up very useful time that I could be spending in outreach.
So, Indumati, what has been your biggest achievements in starting your agency? And if you're comfortable, can you share with us your revenue or the income that you have generated?
So I think my biggest achievement would be, let's assume if I was charging X amount for a client before coming to Digital Scholar, now I'm charging 5X for similar projects. I think I would say that shift is the biggest achievement because numbers keep changing, but the confidence to pitch for a higher value and actually deliver value to the client is what Digital Scholar helped me reach.
So, looking back at your Digital Scholar journey, What was the key takeaway or learning that you still use in your agency today?
So not many people in my batch know this about me. For every class, I drove almost 25 kilometers up and down in my scooty in peak Chennai summer to come here. And that was a very strategic move because I have big dreams and I believe in the power of universe. So when I made the decision to come here, it put my path in alignment with people, tools, skills, and opportunities that, made those dreams more reachable than they were earlier. So like when you show up, the universe shows up tenfold for you. And I think that's my biggest learning, that tangible learning, and the change I saw in my life after coming to Digital Scholar.
That's really great.
Yeah.
So this is like one of the funnest questions that I asked to all the students who come here.
Okay.
Who was your favorite trainer, digital scholar, and what is that one memorable thing that you'd take from DS?
So Karthik sir, Miraman, Rishi, and Eugene, if you're watching this, I loved all your sessions equally. But I would say Rishi's session in particular stood out to me because whenever you ask him a question, he'll always answer that question, look at me in the eyes, and figure out whether I understood it before moving on to the next question. So even though it was a group session, it felt like it was a one-on-one session, which I think made a lot of difference in making something meta arts that used to be scary for me to something that I'm not scared to experiment today.
So thank you, Indhumathi, for joining with us today. Your journey from an engineering background to coming into a new field, into digital marketing and learning how to use AI tools is truly inspiring. And traveling in this scorching heat is something which is truly appreciable. Thank you so much for joining with us today. So that's Digital Scholar for you.